Ndewonu. I hope this message and this video meets you well from wherever you are watching. Today, we will look at the letter is, the word is, and how do we use them in Igbo language. Is has two ways for it to be used in Igbo language. De and bo. But we can't just use them anyhow when making our sentences in Igbo language. This is how it is used. Bo is used as a means of identification when you say is somebody or is something, or is just give an identity to somebody or something. While the is used to give more description of location or a condition or situation of which somebody or something is. Bo mean is, the mean is, but then you can't just use them anyhow in Igbo sentences. Now, when I want to give an identity of somebody, I'll say bo. Ọ bụ nwoke, ọ bụ nwanyị, ọ bụ enyi m, ọ bụ nna m, ọ bụ dọkịta. When I want to tell you the location or situation of somebody, given with my adjective to describe the person or the thing, I'll use the. Ọ dị ogologo, ọ dị mkpụmkpụ, ọ dị mma, ọ dị ojii, ọ dị ọcha, ọ dị njọ. This is how we use the is word in Igbo language, bo and. I hope you've learned something from today's lesson. Till we meet again, K. Messia.